What's up, everybody? 2018 Chevy Malibu LT 1.5, 2018. The other day, my peoples went over to Walmart to do some shopping. When they got back out to start the car up, they had a crank no start. Sporadically, they said it started up for a second, it was shut off. So by the time I got there, I guess they had ran the battery kind of dry already. So being we were in front of Walmart, went in and just got a battery, put a battery in. But what I noticed was, what they noticed before I got there was that the gas tank was reading empty, and we knew we had more than a quarter tank in the car. Regardless, I took 3 gallons of gas when I got there, put the new battery in, we were still showing low fuel. It would say low fuel, and what else? Low power. It threw up a code. I forget what the code was. It was something manufacturer. But basically with those symptoms, I was, figuring something fuel. Long story short, guys, this car doesn't have a fuel pump relay. It has something called a fuel pump driver module. And that's what it was. It looks like this. This is the old one. Plug and play. It's a big ass plug. It goes on the rear of the gas tank. You gotta get up under the car. That's right. That's the gas tank right there. Right over here somewhere. I don't know if you can see it. It's in there somewhere. It's one plug. Unplug it. Hook it up. And yeah, man, it was literally plug and play. Car starts right up. I don't even check engine light state. I'm gonna have to try to see if I clear that, but bottom line, it's running, man. Well, I hope this helps somebody.